Brazil is currently the globe's premier exporter of chicken meat, making its poultry industry an economic powerhouse. Providing millions of tons for both domestic consumption and export requires processing factories to handle millions of chickens daily. To understand how Brazil's largest chicken processing plant operates, join us on an exploratory journey. Over 150 markets import Brazilian chicken through the nation's ports, with an annual shipment exceeding 4 million tons, nearly a third of total production. Brazil's poultry quality and efficient chicken farming have propelled it to become the world's biggest poultry exporter and third largest producer. The largest Brazilian chicken processor is BRF, one of the world's major food companies specializing in chicken, pork, and frozen foods. Its plant can slaughter an astonishing 7 million chickens per day using state-of-the-art production lines, with annual chicken output nearing 140 million tons and pork production close to 5 million tons. Each worker undergoes training for quick and humane slaughter procedures. After defeathering, chickens proceed to the organ harvesting line for removal of internal organs and feet, with all stages carried out on mobile conveyor belts. The processing plant's machinery is highly automated, modern, and equipped with anti-corrosion and oxidation prevention devices, ensuring longevity and reduced operating costs compared to traditional equipment. The meat cutters prioritize food safety, hygiene, and dust mitigation during cutting to extend meat preservation. Additionally, X-ray equipment facilitates accurate cutting. The economic impact of Brazil's chicken processing industry is undeniable. From job creation and export revenue generation to stimulating agricultural sector growth and infrastructure development, the sector plays a crucial role in fortifying the Brazilian economy. The chicken processing industry is a major employment source, providing opportunities to thousands across the country: farmers, poultry workers, processing plant employees, and logistics staff. This diverse range of jobs not only improves individual livelihoods, but also stimulates local economies by generating income and supporting households. Chicken farm expansion, driven by the meat industry's development, has fostered modernization. Brazilian farms excel in technological applications for genetics, management, and environmental stewardship, propelling productivity and making the country the third largest chicken producer with over 14 million tons of protein annually. Large-scale industrial chicken farming now includes livestock barns housing up to 50,000 chickens raised with automated feeding troughs and drinking water systems, maintaining cleanliness, temperature, and humidity for optimal growth. On chicken farms, workers divide responsibilities for chick care and fattening chickens before sale. Chickens are primarily fed corn, barley, or other grains, supplemented with protein-rich animal feed. Surprisingly, Brazilian farm-raised chickens can gain to 0.8 kgs in just 6 weeks through modern techniques while maintaining quality. Brazil's vast territory and agricultural suitable land, coupled with a hot and humid climate conducive to chicken growth, provide natural advantages for large-scale chicken farming and exports. Chicken is an indispensable protein source worldwide. China alone has tens of thousands of processing factories producing millions of tons annually for domestic consumption and exports. Let's explore how China's largest chicken processing factory handles to million chickens daily. This factory's processing lines feature state-of-the-art equipment and full automation, where human intervention is unnecessary, limiting bacterial penetration and extending chicken preservation during packaging. Broiler slaughter equipment is crucial, functioning to slaughter, defeather, cut, and process chicken organs to meet market demands. Automated conveyor belts continuously transport products throughout slaughter and processing, ensuring efficient line operation. Modern processing lines primarily operate in a one-way system, accelerating the production process as millions of chickens move through slaughter, processing, and storage on each conveyor belt, minimizing product stagnation. Workers primarily control machines and conduct final quality checks before packaging. A parallel chilling system rapidly cools chicken carcasses from an average 40 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius using fresh cold air, halting bacteria growth and preventing rancidity, a risk higher than other meats. This mechanical system ensures hygiene, safety, freshness, and low cross-contamination risk, replacing traditional ice cooling methods. Thanks to advanced machinery and production lines, 2 million chickens can be processed daily to meet domestic demand and export needs, catering to China's substantial population and significantly higher consumption rate compared to other countries. Chicken dishes span luxury restaurants to popular eateries, suiting diverse needs and budgets. Grilled, stir-fried, stewed, or in soup form, chicken is versatile. Chinese cuisine also favors chicken internal organs, cleaned and cooked to savor their unique flavors. Processing factories supply the chickens, so large farms employ specific methods to raise them. 2. Supply processing factories. Livestock farms need large-scale operations, raising hundreds of thousands of chickens. Breeding can be closed or free-range, but nutritious feed is essential for rapid growth. The breeding process ensures quality from healthy chickens, maintaining appropriate cage temperature and humidity throughout development. Animal welfare practices aim to keep chickens comfortable until processing. Outdoor, free-range chicken raising is another approach to improve meat quality. In addition to animal feed, chickens can forage for organic food and remain active outdoors, enhancing meat texture. To ensure highest quality, chickens must be kept calm before processing, so humane slaughter processes gain popularity.